Hello, my name is John Futch, and I'm so excited to be your guide on this musical journey. I've been playing music since I was a kid, and I started learning guitar from my dad, who taught me my first few guitar chords. A little bit later, I started taking lessons from an incredible guitar player. His name is Ben Lacey. The biggest lesson I learned from watching Ben play and learning from him was that I can do, and my hands can do, my fingers can do more on the guitar than I originally thought they could. And as I was learning guitar, I kept loving it. I kept learning it and loving it, and I got into a range of styles from blues, rock, jazz, funk, fingerstyle guitar. I liked it all. Through the years, playing music has been such a blessing to me and my family and my community. And when I see the same thing happening in the lives of my students, it's really, really special.